Calculus, rate of change. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve f of x equals to 2x squared minus x, where the tangent is parallel to the line y equals to 11x. Now, we are not given the point, we need to find the point. And slope of the tangent at that point should be same as that of this line y equals to 11x. That's what we mean, parallel. Parallel means they have the same slope. So in this particular question, we are given the slope and we need to find the point where the slope matches, correct? So we'll start with difference quotient equation as we had been finding slope, and then equate it to 11 this time. Slope of this line is 11, and therefore we want a point with slope of 11. So we'll start with m equals to limit of h approaches 0, where f of, so we don't know the points, we'll assume let the point be a, right? So let f of a plus h minus f of a over h. So that is how we're going to start this question, right? And this slope should be how much? This slope should be 11. So first let's figure out this part, and then we'll equate it to 11 and find the answer, correct? That's the approach. So limit h approaches 0. What is a plus h for this function? It is 2 times a plus h whole square minus a plus h. So that is f a plus h, correct? Minus f of a, which is 2a square minus a, correct? Over h. Now I like you to expand this and simplify. So we get limit h approaches 0, and let me expand this, which is a square plus 2ah plus h square minus a minus plus h within bracket 2a square minus a, correct, over h. Now if you simplify this part, you'll get what? So we'll cancel out few terms. This is minus 2a square, so 2 times a square, so this gets cancelled with this part, and minus a gets cancelled, right? So we are left with, right, 2 times 2 is 4, so we get 4ah plus 2h square minus h, right, over h. Now this could be written as limit h approaches 0, and we can take h common here. So we take h common, so we're left with 4a plus 2h minus 1 over h. Now h divided by h is 1, so you're left with 4a plus 2h minus 1. So we get this as equal to, let me write here, is equal to, so we say m is equals to now 4a limit, I should have written limit, well this is limit of this, so let me write limit as h approaches 0 for 4a plus 2h minus 1. Now to estimate the limit at any point a, we'll substitute h as 0. You know, h approaches 0, and if it is 0, that's very, very close, and that is the slope of the tangent. So when you put h equals to 0, we get 4a minus 1. 4a minus 1, correct? So that is the slope at any point on the given function. Now what do we need to do? Where the tangent is parallel to line y equals to 11x, slope of this line is 11. So we'll equate this to 11 to find what that point is, right? To find what that point is. So what we are going to do now is this part. We'll equate that to 11. So we'll say that this be equal to 11, correct? If this is 11, then 4a equals to 1, will take it on this side, that becomes 12, and that means a is equals to 12 divided by 4. So let me write here, a equals to 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So we get the a value as 3. So a is actually the x value which we assumed. You see that? The value x of our function, and the y value should be f of a, which is f of 3. So let's find what that value is. So f of 3 is equals to, if you put in 3 here, we get 2 times 3 square minus 3. So 3 square is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 minus 3 is 15. Correct? So that is the y value. And now we can write down our answer. So the coordinates of the point on the curve are, our answer is, x value is 3 and the y value is 15. So at this point on this function, on the graph of this function, the slope of the tangent will be 11, which is parallel to the given line. Correct? I hope you understand and appreciate the method, right? Have a good look at it, right? Thanks and all the best.